children, a very good morning to all. Welcome to class 1 English literature. Children, today we are going to study poem The Rain. Children, as you can see here, I have drawn two clouds, some raindrops, an umbrella, the sun and some flowers. Children, all these things are related to our poem, The Rain. Now, let us read the poem. Please read the poem, children, along with me. The Rain. Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. Children, now I am going to explain you the poem. Children, this is a poem about rain. Raindrops make a pitter-patter sound when they fall from the sky and hit the ground. The little boy says that when it rains, his umbrella keeps him safe and dry. After it stops raining, the sun comes out. As the sun shines brightly, buds begin to grow into flowers. There are flowers everywhere. Children, hope you understood this poem. Please learn the poem. Thank you.